stop buying chili sauce. Once you make this homemade Chinese chili sauce, you'll never go back. 20 dried red chilies, soaked. 8 garlic cloves, 1-inch ginger, 2 tablespoons oil, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, salt to taste, 1/2 cup water. Soak dried red chilies in hot water for 15 to 20 minutes until soft. This makes the sauce smooth and rich in color. Add soaked chilies, garlic, ginger, and a little water into a blender. Blend into a smooth paste. Heat oil in a pan on medium flame. Add the chili paste and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until oil starts separating. Now add vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, and salt. Mix well and cook for another 2 minutes. Your spicy Chinese chili sauce is ready. Store this in the fridge and use it with noodles, rice, or anything. Try it once and tell me in comments. How spicy do you like it? And don't forget to follow for more easy recipes.